Hi traders, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I hope all of you are doing good. So in this video, we are going to analyze Bank Nifty on multiple time frames and arrive at a conclusion on the trend. And then I will show you one strategy which you can do every week to make profits consistently without any risk. There is no need for you to actually sit in front of the screen or look at the screen for the entire week. The loss is limited and the reward is also limited. So here we are going to create a range for the market, and we are going to create that range basis the logic of the market and then try to understand how it works. So let's get started. So our analysis on Bank Nifty for this week is that we will go to a monthly time frame. Monthly time frame, the trend is still intact, it is still bullish, but you can see that this is the zone where there was resistance in the past, and it has created a buying zone here, and the market is taking support from this level. So actually this is taking support from this level. If the next month candle closes above this candle, then we can expect the market has reversed and it will continue to move up. But looking at the overall situation, it looks very dicey as if now because of the condition of the pandemic across India. And let's see and check on a weekly time frame. Weekly time frame, we have been creating red candles all the while from this top from 8th of February. This week's candle was a green candle and a narrow candle, which is a sign of reversal, and it is forming at a place where there was a resistance in the past which has become a support. So now this week candle, if it crosses above this, then it is a short buy for us and go long on Bank Nifty. And if you see the daily time frame has already given us an indication that there is a reversal on this pattern. This is called as bull 180 pattern, and here we have seen that the candle has closed above this red candle, and then this green candle has given us an indication. But we have to wait how the market reacts, because the first point of resistance will be 33,000, this level. So the market can stop at this level because there is also a lot of base candles here, 50% candle, and the previous support. So we have to wait how this is going to react in this zone. If it gaps up, well and good. If it gaps down, then we have to be ready that it might break this level and further go down. So this is on a daily time frame. On a 3-minute time frame, if you want to trade Bank Nifty, you should always look out for these kind of sudden falls and then a green candle forming in. Then your stop loss will be below this and go long and exit. Same here, exit. Same here, exit. So this is what you need to look for scalping during intraday for Bank Nifty. And I would suggest try to take a strategy with good quantity, like a call buy with a call sell, instead of buying a call and putting a stop loss below, because the risk will be a little higher, and here it will be more hedged strategy for you. And if the market trends continuously upwards, then your profit will be much bigger with that strategy. But yes, the profit will be limited in this kind of scalpings. So you choose the strategy wisely so that you don't lose much of your capital in any one drawdown. So the entire game is about managing the risk to reward. So now coming to the strategy which we are going to do this week. So what I'm going to teach you this week is that how you can create a position for an entire week and stay happy and ensure that you are giving a full range to the market, and keep watching this or at the end of the day or once in a day, so that the market has not trended too much. So what we have done is that we have actually taken the Bank Nifty option chart, and we have chosen this 10 strikes down, 10 strikes and up. This you have to do every Thursday. Choose the highest open interest. I usually choose this 31,000 or 33,000, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10th strike from the middle. So you can choose this and choose this, sell this and sell this for this week, and buy the same strike for the next week expiry. So how the position will look: say I've sold 31,000 put of 22nd April and bought a 31,000 put of 29th April. Sold 33,000 call for 22nd April and 29th April 30,000 call bought. So what will happen to the Greeks? Greeks will be, gamma is completely zero, so no matter how wild movement, you're not going to lose money. Vega is positive for you, theta is positive for you, delta is little bit higher on the positive side. Okay, and what is the range? Before the range, you see the probability of profit is about 74. The farther strikes you use, the probability will be higher. Max profit is about 7,200. That is, if the market remains in this range during the last day of the expiry. Max loss if the market moves out of this range. What is your risk to reward? 1 is to 0.65, which is fine because we are playing with the range of the market, which is about 30472 minus 33587, which is about 3115 is the range which we are giving for the week to the market to move. So market will not move in straight one direction, it will always go, retrace, come down, go up. So during that week, whatever is the possibility, you should always check the ATR of the Bank Nifty weekly chart. Put a weekly chart, put the ATR, average true range indicator, and see what is the number of points you're getting. So let's try to see that so that our logic is justified. So here is Bank Nifty weekly chart, and average true range of a weekly chart is about 1777. So that means what is the average movement Bank Nifty does in a weekly range is about 1700 points. So the range what we have chosen is about 3115. So in the worst case scenario, it will move 3000, even then you are profitable. So this way you can create continuous wealth every week without doing anything on the system. But most of the people struggle to do this because once they deploy this strategy, if they have capital left in the account, what they do is they try to make money quickly by doing some kind of scalping or trying some other strategy. You will make money in this strategy, but you will lose money in other strategy. So it's better to stick to one strategy. Treat it as a business that you have invested for a week. Your returns you have to check after the week. So that's how simple you have to do, and do this for 20 trades and see what is the kind of results you will get. You'll be surprised to see the results. The results will be very good for this. So that's it for this week, guys. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and do subscribe and share. Please do subscribe and share this video with all your friends who want to learn the markets the right way.